Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving straight into how to create and manage teams in teamwork.com. The first step, quite naturally, is to create a team. Once you've logged into your teamwork.com account, navigate to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on the People tab. From the drop-down menu, select Teams. This is where all your team creation and management will happen. Now, click on Add a Team and fill in your desired team name and description. This helps us because it allows you to organize your workforce into specific groups, making project management much more efficient. Now that we've done that, let's add members to our newly created team. Beside your team name, you'll see an Add Members button. Select this, and you'll be able to invite people by their email addresses. Don't forget to assign them roles. You can choose from Owner, Admin, Project Manager, or Standard. The reason we do this is to delegate responsibilities effectively and keep everyone aware of their role in the team. Next up, let's talk about managing our teams. Back on the Teams page, you'll see a list of all the teams you've created. By clicking on a team name, you'll access a detailed page where you can modify team details, add or remove members, and manage roles. This step is crucial because it allows you to adapt your teams to changing project needs or staff changes. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes when you make these changes. Teamwork.com updates in real time, meaning changes you make are immediately reflected on every team member's dashboard. This leads to better alignment and improved communication within the team. Lastly, you can also delete teams when they are no longer needed. On the Teams page, simply click on Settings and then Delete Team. Be cautious with this step, though. Once a team is deleted, it can't be recovered. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and manage teams in teamwork.com. It's a straightforward process that significantly boosts your ability to handle projects efficiently. Remember, good team management is key to successful project completion. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.